Electric pool heaters are equipped with resistant heating elements that heat up as an electric current passes through them. They're a relatively inexpensive option, and they can be installed easily. They do, however, take several hours to produce enough warm water to raise the temperature of your pool substantially. If you live in an area where the winters are cold, you don't have to let the weather stop you from enjoying your pool. An electric pool heater can extend your swimming season by weeks or even months. Hello and welcome back once more to Consumer Sherpa. In this video, we've detailed the best electric pool heaters across categories based on several factors, including the outstanding features of each, customer satisfaction, and expert recommendations. Without further ado, let's dive right in. ECOSMART Smart Electric Pool Heater, best overall. The ECOSMART Smart Pool Heater is the most efficient and the smartest pool heater on the market. Using just a fraction of the energy consumption of gas heaters, this electric spa heater delivers big performance in a small package. This patented technology also makes it lightweight and easy to install for both new construction and existing pools. This heater is available with a maximum output of up to 18 kilowatts. This heater is the most efficient electric pool heater on the market today. EcoSmart technology does not use gas, does not use oil, does not burn anything, and produces no emissions or greenhouse gases. The EcoSmart pool heater uses approximately 50% less energy than conventional electric resistance pool heaters, making it a green product for our environment. Eco pool heaters are compact and easy to install for a new or existing pool. Set your temperature digitally to increments of 1 degree. Set it and forget it. The heating element is made from durable stainless steel. It has titanium elements too. Save up to 90% on water heating costs too with an EcoSmart electric tankless pool heater. This EcoSmart pool heater is a part of the most advanced line of tankless water heaters ever made, even smarter than before. It is one of the best electric pool heaters for above-ground pool. The digital thermostatic control allows you to set the temperature in increments of 1 degree Fahrenheit from 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Then the built-in recirculation timer allows you to set the recirculation time from 0 to 24 hours at 15-minute intervals. This gives you enhanced performance during the coldest months of the year when temperatures are below 0 degrees. As a tankless solution, you save more for storage space. Use the money you save to enjoy other comforts in life. The product is also backed by manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty, 1 year. HAYWARD CS Paxi 11 Electric Spa Heater, best budget option. The HAYWARD CS Paxi 11 Electric Spa Heater is a solid addition to any pool or spa too. It's a solid heater built with 304 stainless steel, and it has a low-watt density heating element that helps prevent mineral buildup. The CX Paxi 11 is easy to install, and it's safe to touch without gloves. It also has an indicator light that lets you know when the heater is on, so you never have to wonder whether your heater is heating. This product is a great budget electric spa heater. It's a smaller heater that only has 11 kilowatts of power. The CS Paxi 11 has a stainless steel body and can be used with spas up to 600 gallons in size. It also features an easily accessible control panel, which allows you to make adjustments and repairs quickly and simply without having to remove the entire unit. This HAYWARD product is great if you just need something small and cheap that'll get the job done. This is a great heater for pools and spas of all sizes. This electric swimming pool heater can handle pools of up to 15,000 gallons and spas with up to 400 gallons of water. This brand also has an integrated thermostat that allows you to set the temperature from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree increments. The CS Paxi 11 is a high-performance stainless steel electric heater that runs on 110 or 220 volts. It also comes with a 2-inch by 2-inch CPVC union connection and can be used in saltwater environments as well. It's not only backed by a 1-year warranty from HAYWARD, it's also one that has the features of a high-end spa heater, but at a mid-range price point. If you're looking for a spa heater that'll last for years, this is the one for you. FIBROPOOL FH055 Swimming Pool Heat Pump, best premium choice. This is one of the best swimming pool heat pumps available worldwide, at least for the money. It is suitable for most above-ground pools and for many in-ground pools up to 10,000 gallons. The FH055 has a very high coefficient of performance, COP, of 5.8. The titanium heat exchanger will facilitate decades of trouble-free operation with saltwater or chlorine. This exchanger has proven its worth over the years thanks to its resistance to corrosion and allows it to be used with saltwater pools or other water that may be very aggressive. This product is a 115-volt unit that pulls only 50 amps and plugs into a standard 115-volt outlet as well. This is one electric pool heater for in-ground platforms, so it can safely heat saltwater pools as well as chlorine pools. It's also equipped with a low-amp draw compressor that's rated to withstand high temperatures and pressures in hot climates, making this unit suitable for use in all climates. The FH055 unit is equipped with an electronic control panel that'll display all of the important information such as temperature and maintenance countdown. It also includes an automatic defrost function and freeze protection to allow it to operate in temperatures as low as 36 degrees Fahrenheit. This pool heater also comes pre-charged with environmentally friendly R410A and R32 refrigerant and only requires connection to your swimming pool's filtration system. It can be mounted on a solid surface near your pool equipment pad or can also be freestanding next to your pool, stay not included. This model can also be used for above-ground pools up to about 21 feet in diameter and works well in any climate, from tropical to Arctic and everywhere in between. The FIBROPOOL FH055 heat pump is not very simple to install or control, but it comes with easy-to-follow instructions. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment and like if you did. As an avid pool user, what do you think about these best pool heaters featured in our list today? They're all linked in the description below if you need any more information. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next video.